A massive winter beast is tearing across America, roads turning into frozen traps, power lines collapsing under the weight of ice, and temperatures falling faster than you can blink. But what is this monster storm? Why does it appear suddenly? And why does it feel like it's getting stronger every year? Today, we dive deep into the heart of the phenomenon known as the bomb cyclone, the storm that freezes America in its tracks. What is a bomb cyclone? Let's start with the basics. A bomb cyclone isn't a storm that explodes, at least not in the cinematic sense. But scientifically, it's a storm that bombs out. Technically, a bomb cyclone occurs when atmospheric pressure drops 24 millibars or more in 24 hours. That's a drastic plunge, the meteorological equivalent of slamming the accelerator to the floor. This rapid intensification turns an ordinary winter storm into a meteorological bomb, unleashing ferocious winds, blizzard conditions, and life-threatening cold. How does it form? To understand how a bomb cyclone forms, imagine the atmosphere as a battlefield where forces collide. A warm, moist air mass rushing from the ocean meets an icy blast of Arctic air dropping down from the north. When these air masses meet, the contrast is so extreme that the atmosphere goes into overdrive. Then enters the jet stream, a high-speed river of air miles above the Earth. When the jet stream dips and curves, it acts like a supercharger. It pulls the warm air upward, enhances low pressure at the surface, and suddenly, the storm deepens. Fast. Very fast. This is when meteorologists say we're witnessing bombogenesis. Why is America so vulnerable? The US is one of the most vulnerable countries in the world to bomb cyclones. And here's why. Look at the geography. You have icy Arctic air traveling south through Canada, warm Atlantic waters producing moist air, and massive open plains in the Midwest that allow storms to stretch and grow. The perfect ingredients, the perfect laboratory, the perfect storm. And when all these factors collide, the result is a weather system powerful enough to shut down entire regions. The effects on America. A bomb cyclone isn't just dramatic, it's disruptive. Thousands of flights canceled, interstates closed for days, millions facing dangerous wind chills, homes left without heat during the coldest nights of the year, towns buried under several feet of snow. In some cases, wind chills drop to levels that can cause frostbite in just minutes. And let's not forget the pressure drop. It can intensify winds to hurricane strength, creating whiteout conditions so severe you can't see your own front bumper. This is why emergency officials warn, if you're outside in a bomb cyclone, you're fighting the storm of your life. The signs of extreme cold. When a bomb cyclone forms, it often drags down something called the polar vortex, a vast pool of frigid air swirling around the Arctic. When this icy air escapes and spills south, temperatures crash, dropping 20, 30, even 40 degrees in just hours. This is why sidewalks suddenly freeze, why cars refuse to start, and why emergency rooms see spikes in cold-related injuries. And for wildlife, the conditions can be deadly. Birds freeze in mid-flight. Animals struggle to find food. Nature itself pauses and waiting for the storm to pass. Are bomb cyclones getting worse? This is the question the scientists are racing to understand. Warmer oceans provide more moisture and energy to storms. Meanwhile, the polar vortex has shown signs of wobbling more frequently. When these trends combine, bomb cyclones could become more intense, more unpredictable, and more destructive. But research continues, and while theories evolve, one thing is certain: America must be ready. How to prepare for a bomb cyclone. Preparation can save lives. Keep emergency kits with food, water, flashlights, and blankets. Charge all devices before the storm hits. Avoid unnecessary travel. Roads become death traps during whiteout conditions. Stay informed with local weather updates. And check on neighbors, especially the elderly. A bomb cyclone is powerful, but with preparation, you can stay safe. So now you know what a bomb cyclone is, where it comes from, why it forms, and how it can bring America to a standstill. Nature is powerful, unpredictable, sometimes terrifying. But the more we understand it, the better we can survive it. This has been Bomb Cyclone Explained, the monster storm freezing America. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.